Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you are facing this problem in Telegram that too many attempts and please try again this kind of, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you how you can tackle this problem. First of all, let me clear one thing that why this happened. Basically, if you try to log in your account with a wrong number or maybe with a wrong passcode or this kind of error, then this may show this kind of problem. So basically what you can do in this situation, you just need to wait for a few minutes. But in this period, if you need to use Telegram in emergency, then what you can do, just close this Telegram app and go to Google Play Store and search for Telegram X. Here it is. This app was also developed by the similar company, so you just need to install and just open this. The interface is pretty similar. Just tap on this start messaging and just type your number here and just simply log in with the same process of main Telegram, and after that you will be able to use Telegram X and you can use this in emergency, and after 12 or 24 hours you can try again on main Telegram app again. So if you think this video helped you, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.